Hey guys, welcome back. In today's video I'm going to be showing you how you can improve your internet speed for free, and takes about 30 seconds to set up. Now before we start, this is going to affect your internet browsing speed and loading of web pages. It's not going to affect your download speeds or anything like that. And also this, I can't guarantee what kind of results you're going to get, because it'll be different for each person's different network and situation, that kind of thing, where they live and their location. It could be a very small speed boost, or it could be quite a large one. So basically this method of speeding up your internet involves the use of a DNS. Now I've touched on this in previous videos. Basically what a DNS is, a dynamic name system, it's the system that links the IP of a website to the text translation of that IP. So for example, if we open up a command window and we're going to ping www.google.com, that's going to give us this IP address here. And now that's the IP address of google.com. Now we can enter that into a web browser and access google.com using that, or as most people do, we can type in google.com. Now the system that, as I said, the DNS, that's the system that controls linking that IP address to that text, google.com. And obviously the quicker you can link this, the quicker your web page is going to load. So using a DNS server, using a quick DNS server is going to improve the speeds of loading websites and loading results in searches and that kind of thing. Now your internet service provider is no doubt going to provide you with a default DNS server, and a lot of these, because a lot of users use them and it's bogged down, it might not be as quick as some others. Google offers their own DNS service, which is 80.80.80.80, but a company called Cloudflare, who are known for anti-DDoS protection, that kind of thing, in a lot of websites, they've released their own DNS, and it's 1.1.1.1, and quite a lot of benchmarks have been done. I'll leave a link to a channel that first kind of did a video on it, Linus Tech Tips. You've probably heard of them, because they give a lot more information, but I thought I'd just show you guys how to do it as well. So what we're going to do is we're going to head into Control Panel. Now this is going to work on all versions of Windows. This can also be done actually on mobile devices and other operating systems too. You just need to be able to set the DNS. So we're going to open up Control Panel, hit View Network Status and Tasks. We're going to click on our network, click on Properties, and here we can change our settings. Now that we're going to double click on Internet Protocol version 4, or IPv4, which you'll probably remember is where you go when you're setting a static IP address. And we're going to leave that alone. What we're going to go do down here is we're going to change the DNS server. So we're going to change preferred DNS server to 1.1.1.1, and then backup, or ultimate, is 1.0.0.1. Now again, Cloudflare also offer a full tutorial on how to set this all up, where they explain it a bit more, so I'll definitely leave a link to that as well to go check that out. As I said, 1.0.0.1 is the backup DNS server, and we're going to hit Validate Settings on Exit. Then hit OK. OK. It's going to start trying to diagnose it for some reason. We could just hit Close, and there we go. Now you should still have internet access. And as I said, I've been using this. I haven't really noticed that much of a difference from just leaving at stock or even using Google's DNS server. But this is meant to speed up your loading of web results and that kind of thing. So you'll have to decide for yourself how well it works, and see whether it's worth it. I guess it is worth it. It's free. It takes like 30 seconds to set up. And it has been shown in a lot of online articles and benchmarks to actually speed up loading of web results. So anyway guys, thanks for watching the video, and I'll hopefully catch you in the next one.